table of 14 and 15. Write in your notebooks fast. And write in the class also.
Ma'am, I want to ask something.
Yes.
Ma'am, are there properties of multiplication and division?
What?
Are there properties of multiplication and division?
Yes, we have done, no? Multiply by 1, multiply by 0. What will be the answers? These only the properties.
Only these are, na?
Yes. Write table of 14 and table of 15 in your notebooks. Meantime, I will start the orals of table. Please be ready. And this today I will ask in the dodging form, not in the serial order the way we have done yesterday. Today will be in the dodging form. बीच में से होगा. Anya Mittal.
Yes,
Anya 14 threes are.
14 threes are
Pastor Arna Agarwal. Anya Mittal, are you ready?
ma'am.
Anya,
What,
yes.
ma'am?
Wait, Arna. Anya, yes, give me 14 threes are. What is the answer? Please, children, be quick.
31.
No. Learn tables. Arna Agarwal.
Yeah, ma'am.
14 fives are.
14 5s are 70.
Arya Razia. 14 six are.
84.
Ashvi. 14 eights are.
112.
Anushka Chauraria. 14 nines are.
14 9s are 126.
Next is Anvi.
Yes, ma'am.
14 fives are.
14 pies are 70.
Ayans Jain. 14 sevens are.
14 sevens are 98.
Ayush Singhania. 14 nines are.
14 9s are. 14 9s
Yes.
are 120. 120. 126.
Derisha. 14 eights are.
14 8s are is 112.
Dhyan Dalal. 14 sevens are.
98.
I request parents, please do not help the child. Next, Ekant Jain.
Yes.
14 six are.
Ma'am, 14 6.
14 six
84.
are.
84.
Next is Farzan.
Yes, ma'am.
14 fours are.
Ma'am, 14 fours are 69.
Turn on your
58.
cameras, please, when you are sitting in the class.
58, ma'am.
14 fours are 56.
Oh, sorry.
Next is after Farzan, Priya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Priya. Wait a minute. Priya, 14 sevens are.
14 sevens are. Ma'am, I don't know.
Learn tables. Yesterday also I posted in the classroom that learn tables. Then right now, what are you doing if you don't know the table of 14? How you will write? I want to see everyone's notebook. Please write it now. Gunav.
Ma'am, see.
14 nines are. I will see everyone's together. Put your notebooks down. Gunav, 14 nines are.
126.
Jahan Agarwal.
Yes, ma'am.
14 six are.
is 4.
Jishna Swami. Jishna Swami.
Yes, ma'am.
14 fives are
14 fives are 70.
Kahan Jain.
Yes, ma'am.
14 nines are
126.
Karnav Patel. Karnav Patel. Karnav, are you there in the class? Kush Ahuja.
Yes, ma'am.
Karnav, you yesterday also you did the same thing. You present yourself in a class late. What is the solution now? Please be alert in the class and sit at your place.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Ma'am,
14 six.
notebook?
I will see later. Karna 14 6.
Ma'am, 84.
Next is Khush Ahuja. Khush Ahuja 14 8.
14 8.
Faster. Khush Ahuja
Yes, ma'am.
need to learn the tables.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Tell me what is 14 8. Do the Mangokya, put it down. Next is Khush Kapadia. Khush Ahuja, I will ask
14
again
eights.
for you tomorrow. Mute yourself, Khush Ahuja now.
Yes, ma'am.
Khush Kapadia ready?
Yes, ma'am.
14 nines.
14 nines are 126.
Lakshya Thakral.
Yes.
14 fives.
70.
Good.
Yes,
Rama. 14 sevens.
Ma'am, 14 sevens is 98.
Man Rajodia. Man Rajodia.
Yes.
14 eights.
Ma'am, 112.
Migdad. 14 6. Migdad.
84.
Nek Italia. 14 sevens. Nek Italia.
Yes, ma'am. 14 sevens are 98.
Please put your cameras on. Everyone. Parinika Jain. 14 fours.
Ma'am, 14 fours is 56.
Prisha Patel. 14 sevens.
14 sevens is 98.
Riddhi Goyal. Sorry. Rahil Patel.
Yes.
14 eights.
14 8. 112.
Riddhi Goyal.
Yes.
14 6.
14 6 are
Don't ask, don't see here and there. Don't turn off your mic and left the meeting. Next is after Ridhan Goyal. Ridhan Goyal. 14 8.
14 is 112.
Riddhi, your chance has gone now. When I was asking, you left the meeting and you turn off your mic, this camera also. So your chance is gone now. Next is Rudra Jajaria. Sorry, Riva Kataria. Riva
Yes, ma'am.
Kataria, 14 6.
14 6 are 84.
Rudra Jajaria.
14 sevens are 98.
No, I will say which number you have to say. 14 fours.
14 fours are 56.
Rudra Mangokia.
Yes.
14 eights.
14 8 are 112.
Rudra Master.
Yes.
14 nines.
14 9 are 126.
Samriddhi.
Yeah, ma'am.
14 6.
84.
Sia Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
14 Faiza.
70.
Dhruv Patel.
Yes.
14 Sevenza.
98.
Tawassim. Tawassim, will you respond in the class? Trisha Chandrana.
Yes, ma'am.
14 Sixa.
84.
Vihan Patel. 14
Yes,
Nineza.
ma'am. 14 nines are 126.
Vivan Patel. 14
Yes,
Sevenza.
ma'am. Ma'am, 14 sevens are 98.
Yash Desai. 14 Eighza.
Ma'am, 14 is a 112.
Yeah, Yug Baria.
Yes.
14 Sixa.
84.
Yes, Tawassim, will you respond in the class? Should I ask something from you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, wait a minute. Let me pin you. Your camera is on. Turn on your camera first. Turn on your camera, Tawassim. Tawassim, your camera is off. Others are waiting. I have to teach to other children also. Turn on your camera, I'm saying. Sorry, then I have to move to the next child. Okay, so children, this way we have revised the table of 14. First, I will start the today's topic, and then if we have time, we'll start the table of 15 also. Otherwise, we'll do the revision tomorrow of table of 15. I hope you all have done table of 14 and table of 15 in your notebooks. Please show me your notebook. I want to see everyone notebook. Please show me your notebook that you have written the table of 14 and 15 in your notebooks. I want everyone's notebook to be full.
Revision book.
Yes, yes. The revision notebook and the notebook is the same. I'm telling in the revision notebook only. Yes, please. Lamha, turn on your camera and show me. Jishna. Yeah, Ayush, please show me your notebooks, everyone. Ekansh, you are not at your place.
Ma'am, I'm right.
Ma'am, can you see mine?
My dear, in case I am not, no one will ask. No one will ask. No one will ask. If I, in case I will not able to see any child, I will tell that child name. Yes.
Ma'am, Dhyan Dalal is not doing anything and you just ask him.
Dhyan Dalal, where is your notebook?
What?
You have done table of 14 and the 15?
Ma'am,
No, it's not visible properly. Put it down.
Ma'am,
Yes, bring it down. Yes. Sit alert in the class, Dhyan Dalal.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, put your notebooks down now. Anushka, you have done?
Ma'am, I have also done.
Show me Lakshya.
See,
Is it visible?
14
Is it visible? Ma'am, I have also
and
done.
Okay.
15.
Put your notebooks now. Yes. Yes, yes, my dear. As I told that in case if I'm not able to see any child, I will pin that child and say. Others means it is obviously understood that I can see them. Vivan Patel, please show your notebook. Vivan Patel. Put it down now. Okay. So now we'll start with the today's
Can you
topic.
see mine?
Vivan, microphone off karo beta.
Vivan Patel, turn off your mic, please.
Ma'am?
Yes, now put your notebook. Yes, Manra Jodia, put your notebook down. Okay. Now our today's topic is unitary method. We have done multiplication, we have done division. In case of multiplication, what you were doing?
Ma'am, we have to write this.
No, I will tell you when to write. Okay. You now first try to understand what I'm explaining. Suppose one chocolate is 2 rupees and you need to find the cost of 5 chocolates. rupees 2 is one chocolate. This is the information given to you. Find the cost of 5 chocolates.
Ma'am, can I say the answer?
Write in the chat box and I will say. Put your mic off.
Ma'am, we have to write this.
Pudra Master.
Put your mics off. And Samriddhi, when I explain to one child, you listen that time. I already told. When I will tell you, when I will instruct you to write, you that time write.
Ma'am, put your board right side. I can't see.
Vivan Patel, mic off, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, please write in the chat box. So, in this case, I can see many of you are writing rupees 10. So, in that case, what you have done, write it in the chat box, what you have done for finding the price of 5 chocolates. Which method you have used. Write in the chat box. Which operation you have used. You have
Ma'am, I don't know of the this science. So I write the not
rupees.
name
You
of
can
the
write rupees.
multiplication,
Okay. Huh.
and I write the
Lakshya. Children, which operation you have used to find the cost of the 5 chocolates? Have you used the plus? Have you used the minus or multiply?
Ma'am, can I say?
multiply.
Write in the chat box. We have a very good option. Write the name of the operation, which operation you have done. Multiplication. So you know when the price of 1 is given to you and you need to find the price of many, you have multiplied. Am I clear? And now when the many is given to you, you need to find for 1, what you will do? When many is given to you, division. When, for example, cost of 5 chocolate.
Ma'am, we have to write that.
Ashvi, try to understand the concept. When it is required to writing in the notebook, I will instruct you. Cost of 5 chocolates is rupees 25. Find the cost of 1 chocolate. In that case, write in the chat box. I think I don't need to remind again and again to the students to write the answers in the chat box. When I am asking the operation, you need to write the full spelling, the multiplication, not the multiplication sign. I can see many of you are writing anything in the chat box before listening. I asked it will come 1 or 2 seconds. After that, it will be okay. Kanak ma'am, is it visible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. When we pin on you, na, it is pure.
Children, you have to pin on me. अगर आप सबको देखना चाहोगे, तो it is your fault. You pin on my board screen and then you can able to see completely. And if you want to see all together, then कुछ नहीं दिखेगा. Then you enjoy your class with your friends. Cost of 5 chocolates is rupees 25. 5 chocolate की cost है, 1 chocolate की निकालने हैं. So what we will do? Which operation we will use here? We will use write in the chat box. Which operation? See, yeah, you are writing anything. Please check your answers before you write. Which operation I am asking? Samriddhi, your answer is wrong. Multiplication will not happen here. If I multiply 5 multiply by 25, you will get the price of 1 chocolate. We will do division here. When we need to find the price of 1. जब भी हमें many का given है और 1 का निकालना है, what we will do? We will divide. Am I clear to you all? So unitary method जो है इन दोनों का No. यूनिटरी मेथड जो है वो डिवीजन और मल्टीप्लिकेशन दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन है. यूनिटरी मीन्स जो वर्ड यूनिटरी है वो यूनिट से आया है. द वर्ड यूनिटरी कम फ्रॉम द वर्ड यूनिट. यूनिट मीन्स वन. वन का निकालना है आपको. जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन, वेदर इट इज रिलेटेड टू द प्राइस, वेदर इट इज रिलेटेड टू द डिस्टेंस, वेदर इट इज रिलेटेड टू द टाइम, आपको वन का निकालना है तो आप मेनी का अपने आप निकाल सकते हो बाय मल्टीप्लाइंग देम. सो व्हेन यू हैव फॉर वन, देन यू कैन इजीली फाइंड फॉर मेनी. So unitary method says it's a combination of multiplication and division both. So पहले अगर आपका वन का निकल गया और many का निकालना है, in that case you will need to multiply. For example, if I say the cost of one dozen, अब यहाँ पर वर्ड नया भी डिफरेंट वर्ड एज यूज, वन डजन. आई विल आस्क वन क्वेश्चन ऑन बेसिस ऑफ डजन ऑल्सो. स्टॉप टाइपिंग इन द चैट बॉक्स नाउ. पे अटेंशन हियर इन द क्लास. If you want to write these examples, start writing in your notebook. This is one example. For example, this is one question of the example. The cost of one dozen bananas is rupees 48. What is the cost of 8 bananas? अब यहाँ पर 1 डजन बनानास की कॉस्ट है. डजन में कितने बनानास आएंगे? What do you mean by the word dozen? Write in the chat box.
12.
Write answer in the chat box. Those who will give answer in the chat box, definitely the grades will be upgraded. Those who just turn on their mics and give me the answer, sorry then. Prisha, what does dozen means to? Dozen means 12. Guna, write in the chat box.
Okay, ma'am.
I can see many of them are writing. Rudra, Nek, Lakshya. Dozen means 12. So the cost which is given to you is for the 12 bananas. ये 12 bananas की cost है 48. So how you will find the cost of 8 bananas? Unitary method says पहले आप एक की cost निकाल लो and then you will able to find for the many 8 का. So from 48 we can find the cost of one banana. How you will find? And see, in unitary method the questions will come in the form of word problems. So the answer should also be in the statement form. Statement लिखना unitary method में compulsory है. So the first statement is number of bananas. Can I erase the question? Everyone has written already. In the...
No, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
no. Take the screenshot or please write it fast so that I do the solution of this question faster.
Ma'am, can I go to washroom?
Please go, Fazan. I already told.
Done, ma'am.
Children are still writing the answer in the chat box. They are not writing, so I'm going to close the chat box.
Ma'am, board left side.
Pin on my board screen, Riddhi. Pin on my board screen.
Ma'am, for 8 banana, the cost is 38.
And we have to write this.
We have written the question.
Written the question. Yes, you have to write this. I already told in the beginning because जब आप पूछने लगते हैं तब आप सुनते नहीं हैं. I'm going to erase this question now. Ma'am? Yes.
May I drink water?
Please.
Ma'am, I cannot see your board. I have pinned you also. Ma'am, it is.
Log out and log in again.
Ma'am,
So
your
what?
camera is down.
Please.
And Rudra Master, no, beta, it is properly visible. अच्छे से पता चल रहा है what ma'am has written. आप log out और log in करो बेटा आगे.
Ask pin the ma'am also.
So now the solution is, for this question, the solution is, you need to write the first statement, first line, number of, for number, I will write the short form NO dot. Number of bananas. How many number of bananas are there? 12.
12.
Next line of statement is, cost of 12 bananas, rupees 48. So third line of statement is, cost of one banana is
First we
48.
want to
Yes. आपको सबसे पहले यूनिटरी मेथड में 1 का अगर गिवन है तो मैनी का आप अपने आप निकाल सकते हो. 48 divided by 12. What is the answer? Children, side by side, everyone has to write in their notebooks also. So find what is the cost of one banana.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, answer is
we need to calculate this one in our notebook and show method.
Yes.
4.
Yes. In the beginning only I instructed everyone has to write this question in their notebooks. 4.
Ma'am, the answer is 4.
Ma'am, the answer is question.
So
but
you
have
will
to
write.
solve it by division.
Yes. Yes, you solve it. If you don't know direct, you can. And if you don't know direct answer for this, you can write direct answer also. And if you want to do the division for this, do it in the rough work. Make a rough column to your right hand side and do the division of this and find the answer, because sometimes the big numbers also will come. Right now you have a small number, but sometimes big numbers also will come. So you need the rough column for solving this division. After solving the division, yes, Riddhi.
Ma'am, I'm Kahan. We have to write total and 4 also, na?
Where is the total? No, you need to write cost of one banana
Okay, ma'am.
is equals to rupees 4. Now, if now you have a cost of 1 and now you need to find out the cost of 8 bananas. क्योंकि 12 से 8 bananas की cost तो हम निकाल नहीं सकते थे ना. After getting the cost of one item, you can able to find the cost of many items. और हो सकता है 12 से ज्यादा की cost भी पूछ ले. कभी कभी आपसे 15 bananas की cost पूछ ले. So how you will find? So जब आपके पास cost of one item की होगी, you can easily find the cost of many items. This is the unitary method. Yes.
In that, we will be doing the division and multiplication both.
Yes. अब आपके पास cost of one item आ गई, that is 4. अब आपको 8 की cost निकालनी है. So what the next statement is?
4 multiplied by 8.
4 multiplied by 8.
Write the answer in the chat box.
32.
32. So what will be the price of 8 bananas?
Close.
Rupees 32.
Now you write cost of 8 bananas equals to 4 multiplied by 8 equals to 32 rupees or 32 bananas. Sorry, what will come here?
32 dozen.
32 dozen will come.
Rupees. 32 rupees.
32 rupees will come. Because just now Samriddhi, pay attention in the class. Now you finding the cost of 8 bananas. So answer also will come in the cost, in the price, in the what you will use unit. Here is rupees.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? Have done everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Write one more question. Question number 2. The weight of one box of apples
Is 20 kg.
is any number. I am taking 5 kg. Good that you are making the questions. Good, Lakshya. The weight of, find the weight of, find the weight of 10 boxes. So the weight of one box is already given to you. In this case, please write in the chat box what you will do, how you will start the solution of this question. How you
Chat
will
box
start
is closed.
Chat
Yeah,
isn't
let-
available.
That is closed.
I will open. Just a minute.
Ma'am,
Chat is open.
ma'am, what is written? One after one after one.
One box, BOX. One box of apples is 5 kg. एक box में 5 kg है. Find the weight of 10 boxes. 10 boxes का weight क्या होगा?
Ma'am, multiply.
You will multiply.
इसमें कौन कौन से ऑपरेशन लगेंगे?
5
We have to multiply.
I am asking the name of the operation. आपको पता है addition,
Multiplication.
multiplication or division also will be applicable here?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Multiplication only.
Only
Only
multiplication
multiplication.
operation will applicable here, and find the answer by multiplying and write it in the chat box.
somebody write the 15, somebody write 25. It is okay.
I asked Jen, please check your answer. Yes, Lakshya, what are you giving your answer? Write it in the chat box. 50 what? 50 rupees? What is 50? I don't know what is 50. 50 is centimeter, 50 is in meter.
kg.
What is the 50? What? Find the weight. Weight you are finding here. So if after finding the weight, so answer will also come in the weight unit. That is whether it is gram, whether it is kilogram. So please do not forget to write the unit also. क्योंकि 50 लिख दोगे तो मुझे नहीं पता what is 50. So here we applied only one operation. Have you understood? It's related with multiplication and division only, unitary method. Sometime आपको सिर्फ
Ma'am, I have written.
हाँ,
in
एक ही यूनिट से काम चल जाएगा, एक ही ऑपरेशन से. Am I clear? So you need to understand the language of the question. And statement is very, very compulsory in the unitary method. When I will send you a Google form based on it, you have to solve all the sums which I give you today in the Google form. You have to solve it in the notebook with the statements, click picture and send it to me. And in the Google form, you have to click only the final answer. Because in that, I have given you the options and you need to click the right option. But you need to solve all these questions in your notebook with the statement, click picture and send it to me in the classroom. Am I clear with your work also?
Ma'am,
Go to the next question. Question number 3. The cost of ten books is rupees 900. Find the cost of 18 such books. Write this question, do the statement and tell me which operations are going to apply here to solve this question. Write it in the
Multiplication.
multiplication.
only multiplication, Ayansh. Only multiplication. How you will do, Ayansh? Can you please explain me multiplication से कैसे करोगे?
First, we have to do division also.
Prisha, I am asking Ayansh only.
Excuse me, ma'am. So, ma'am,
Ayan.
ma'am, because the question is that
Ayansh, your
the
hand is coming near to your camera. Remove your hand and sit properly now. Yes.
ma'am, so the question is that the cost of 10 books is this much.
Yes.
So find the cost of 18 such books. So 10 multiply by 18.
10 multiplied by 18. This is the cost you have to find out. These are the number of books given to you. और 18 से कर दोगे तो कैसे निकलेगा?
Sorry, ma'am.
So how you will do?
Multiply by 900.
10 multiplied by 900. Wait, Vihan. Yes, Ayansh. Ayansh, speak. I'm talking to you. अयांश ये जो 900 है ना वो 10 बुक्स की कॉस्ट है. तो जब तक आपको 1 बुक पता नहीं होगा आप हाथ नहीं लगाइए. प्लीज remove your hand from this camera.
Ma'am, the book is zoom, so I am doing short.
Now tell me.
Ma'am, now it's proper.
Now tell me how you will find out. What you have to find out in this.
Ma'am, we have to find out what will be the cost of 18 such books.
कैसे निकालोगे? आपको तो 10 बुक्स की कॉस्ट है.
हाँ मैम.
तो जब तक आपके पास 1 की कॉस्ट नहीं होगी आप मैनी की नहीं निकाल सकते.
Ma'am,
कैसे निकालोगे 1 की कॉस्ट?
ma'am, can I say something?
Wait a minute, Vihan.
So ma'am, we will divide, no?
What you will divide? Which numbers you will divide? Tell me what you will divide. Okay, I'll move to the next child. You listen carefully, Ayansh. Yes,
no,
Vihan.
18 divided by
Yes,
900.
Ma'am, I was asking that can I send the answer in chat box?
Yes, Dhairya. Dhairya, what you will do in this?
Ma'am, see, I have sent.
Yes,
you.
ma'am. 2
Yes,
minutes. I'm saying.
Yes, I'm reading.
Ma'am, here we will. Ma'am, first we will do division.
Division of which
Because-
numbers?
The 900 by 80 means 80
By 18?
divided.
No,
By 10.
by 10. Which number you will take first? 900 divided by 10. What will be the
Yeah.
cost of 1 book? Can you easily find out?
Yeah, because 10 nines are 90. Then 0 drop down. So 10 zeros are 0. So
what
we'll
will
get
the-
9 answer.
So what will be the cost of 1 book?
9 rupees.
No,
Then
it's 0, 1 0 only. Take 1 digit from the right side to your remainder. Remaining will be your quotient.
yeah.
So what will be the answer?
I didn't understand the answer.
Ma'am,
Nine-
can you?
90.
Wait, 900 divided by 10.
Yeah.
When the number is divided with the numbers which is having 0, so what you will do in that case directly?
Then you will remove 1 0 and add it. And
Add
add
it.
it.
Where you
Add
have to
it
add?
with the quotient.
Ma'am, 90.
So what
So it
will be
will
the
become 90.
quotient here and what will be the remainder here?
Ma'am,
Remainder will be 0 and quotient will be 90.
Got it now?
Yes.
Now after finding the cost of 1 book which is 90, will it be easy to find out the cost of 18 books?
Yes, we can multiply it.
So find out and write the answer in the chat box.
Ma'am, I have written the how to do it in chat box and I know the answer also.
Yes.
Ma'am,
And-
can I tell the answer?
Yes, please tell Vihan.
Ma'am, the answer is
Write the statement also, please. 90 is the
Okay.
cost of 1 book. So rupees 90 is the cost of 1 book. अब 18 बुक्स का कॉस्ट निकालना है तो 18 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 90 is what? Please tell the answer in the chat box. Write the answer in the chat box fast. And write the statement when you are solving this.
Yes, ma'am.
I will see the chat box and I'll see how many of you've written. Okay. 1620 is the answer for the books. You will write books. Dhyan Dalal, 1620 books आएगा कि price आएगा? It's the cost. So it will come rupees.
Rupees.
आपने find the cost निकाला है. Word is cost used here. Find the cost. So the unit will be used here, rupees, not the books. Understood how to do the unitary method?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children.
Yes, ma'am.
So, as I told you in the beginning also, I am going to send the worksheet based on these unitary method questions in the Google form. You have to solve there are 10 questions. All the 10 questions with the statement, solve in the notebook, click picture and send it to me. Click the final answer in the Google form also. So, Google form bhi bhejna hai, as well as you need to send me the worksheet or your notebook work also. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, children, for today's class.
Okay, bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.